On November 1st of 2021, the first wave of the Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Funkos was released for pre-order. And I just received my first set of Funkos from my order. I haven't even opened them yet. We're gonna do that on camera right now. This first Funko, I picked up the Pirates of the Caribbean dog with the key in his mouth. I originally pre-ordered on Amazon for $10.99, but while I was at Box Lunch redeeming my Box Lunch money, I was able to find this one on the shelf, and I added it to my order, and I just canceled my Amazon order, and I was able to get it for a grand total of $5.47. This was originally supposed to be delivered on December 22nd. At some point, Amazon sent the notification that the order would be delayed until February 9th. But on January 15th, I found this in store, like almost a month early, which always seems to happen. I'll pre-order them, and then I'll see them in the store. 4 months later, I'll get my pre-orders. On to the Amazon box. We actually got this yesterday, so it has been sitting on the floor for a day. I do have patience. Alrighty, number 1 Amazon pre-ordered Funko. This is Goofy at the Dumbo, the Flying Elephant Attraction. This is a Funko Pop ride. The original release date was January 3rd, but through the magic of Amazon updating their order status and delaying orders, I received an order update notification that this would be delivered on the 28th, and surprise, it was delivered on the 28th. So I originally pre-ordered this one for $29.99 on Amazon, but because they have a get your best price with your pre-orders, they actually lowered the price. This one only cost me $24.99, so that's like a $5 savings there, which is interesting because if you'll notice in my video up here, I pre-ordered it for $29.99. The next day, it went up to $32, and then I ended up getting it for $25. Cool. And my final Funko was the Mickey Mouse at Space Mountain attraction. The original release date for this one was January 1st, but due to Amazon's, order updates and delaying shipments and stuff, I got the notification that this one would be delivered on January 28th, so I got both of these in the same box yesterday on January 28th. Cool, cool, cool. This one was originally $29.99, then at some point it went up to like $32 or $33, but then I got the notification for best price through the pre-orders. I got it for $24.88. So, Mickey Mouse on the little Space Mountain ride. I'm excited. This is my first set of actual deliveries for the Wave 1 of the 50th Anniversary Funkos. So it's a good sign. Unfortunately, my next batch that should be coming in is not going to get here until like the middle to the end of February. Then Wave 2 doesn't even get here until like April or May. And I'm sure those will be delayed. Fingers crossed, I get those sometime soon, and I will keep you updated. Did you guys order any of these 50th Anniversary Funkos? Did you order any of the second wave of the 50th Anniversary Funkos? Put it in the comments below, but until next time, remember, no capes.